In today's video, I am going to show you how to make YouTube Shorts using Canva. If you want to create engaging, bite-sized content quickly, Canva makes it simple with pre-sized templates and easy customization. Start by opening Canva in your browser and typing YouTube Shorts in the search bar. Press enter and you'll see a variety of templates optimized for YouTube's vertical short format. Scroll through and pick a template that matches your style. Whether you want something minimalistic or vibrant, there's a template for every vibe. Once you select your template, click Customize to open it in Canva's editor. This is where the magic happens. Start by editing the text. Replace default captions with your own compelling, concise messages to grab your audience's attention. Then, update the visuals. Click on existing images to replace them with your own uploads, or explore Canva's library of free photos and graphics to enhance your design. Want to add more content? Click the plus icon to add new pages. Each page can have unique text, images, or animations, and they'll flow seamlessly when exported as a video. Keep your short concise, plan your pages carefully so your video stays engaging and under 60 seconds. Finally, preview your creation, make any last tweaks, and hit download to save your video file. Now your custom YouTube short is ready to upload and share with the world. And that's it. With Canva, creating eye-catching YouTube shorts is fast, fun, and easy. Happy creating!